going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, Gail has won a lottery that pays her 100,000 at the end of this year and increases by 10% per year thereafter for 30 years. Leon has offered Gail 2,500,000 today in exchange for all the money she will receive. If Gail can get 8% interest on her savings, is this a good deal? Now let's see whether it's a good deal. Now to find this one out, what we have to do is this is a formula. Let's plug all the values first. A is equal to 100,000 and G is 10%, so in decimal 0.10, and I is 8%, that is in percentage, in decimal, that is 0.08, and N is 30 years, so N is equal to 30, and I is equivalent to 1 plus I over 1 plus G minus 1, and 1 plus I is 0.08 divided by 1 plus G is 0.10, 10 minus 1, and that's equivalent to negative 0.01818. Now P is equal to A over 1 plus G times 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I times 1 plus I power n. Now let's plug all the values. A is 100,000. 100,000 divided by 1 plus G is 0.10 times 1 plus I is 0.08, power n is 30 minus 1 over I is 0.08 times 1 plus I is 0.08 power 30, and if you calculate this one, you're gonna get 3,667.0261. Okay, so if you compare this one with this one, this is the best deal, right? Because this is like 3 million. This is 2,500 million. Okay, let me double check. Gail has won a lottery that pays her 100,000 at the end of the year and increases by 10% per year thereafter for 30 years. Leon has offered Gail 2,500,000 today in exchange for all the money she will receive. If Gail can get 8% interest on her savings, is this a good deal? 8% interest in saving, is this a good deal? Yeah, so it's actually a good deal. So the offer 2,500 million is the good deal. 2,500,000 is a good deal. Okay, that's it. That's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.